All of us heard the Turkish president Erdogan when he spoke about all Pakistanis as his brothers. It was shocking कि हल्के से थोड़ी सी बमबारी में सारी जमात भाईचारे पे उतर आई. This was an eye opener for us. We used to think that Turkey is a pretty neutral country doing trade. हमारे लाखों इंडियंस वहाँ इस्तांबुल जाते हैं टूरिज्म के लिए. The Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, so many lovely things to see there. The Bosphorus Straits. लाखों जाते हैं, इतने सारे डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग होते हैं और इतनी ज्यादा बॉलीवुड फिल्में वहाँ शूट होती हैं. हमने तो टर्की के साथ कभी परहेज नहीं किया. बट द मोमेंट अ फ्यू बॉम्ब्स फेल ऑन पाकिस्तान, द टर्किश प्रेसिडेंट केम आउट fully in support of only his Pakistani brothers and fully antagonized Indians with his talk. He fully put the blame on India for all that happened Pahalgam and after. Well, अब तो हमारी आंखें खुली हैं या नहीं? अभी तक तो हमने कुछ नहीं किया. अब तक तो पानी नहीं सूखा सिंधु में, अब तक तो पानी नहीं सूखा गंगा में जब when the Ganges Treaty comes up for renewal next year. तब क्या हालत होगा पाकिस्तानियों का, बांग्लादेशियों का और तुर्कियों का? At that time, this whole QOM will unite against us. मुझे तो बुरा लग रहा है. A few months back I had flown Turkish Airlines. I should never have done that. But मेरी भी आंखें खुली when I saw all the time during that long flight on the screen, Mecca is in which direction is continuously being shown. Any moment people can hit the floor and start praying in various directions. Go to hell what others think or get in the way in the aisles. This is how that country is. At the Ataturk airport, there are prayer rooms which are called mosques. In our secular airports, there are prayer rooms which are called prayer rooms. There's so many differences. Don't think that this is a modern country. They just act modern. But when the chips are down, देखो कैसे behave करते हैं. अब और जाइए हमारे लोग, हमारे समाज के लोग और जाइए वहाँ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज स्पेंड कीजिए, वहाँ वेकेशनिंग कीजिए, वहाँ उनको पैसे दीजिए. Your money will circle back and come to Pak and Banga. Please recognize a Katbulla country when you see one.